From the soaring peaks of the Himalayas to the depths of the oceans, wildlife across the planet is being profoundly affected by a force beyond their control: climate change. As global temperatures rise, ecosystems are transforming, and with them, the delicate balance of nature. One of the most immediate effects of climate change is the rise in global temperatures. The Arctic, for example, is warming at nearly twice the global average. For animals like polar bears, this means shorter hunting seasons as sea ice melts earlier each year. With less ice to hunt seals from, polar bears face starvation and are forced to venture closer to human settlements in search of food. In tropical regions, forests are becoming drier, making them more vulnerable to wildfires. For species like the orangutan, whose survival depends on dense rainforests, these fires destroy not just homes but also food sources. When habitats disappear, animals have to migrate to new areas, if they can. Many species struggle to adapt to these rapid changes, leaving them at risk of extinction. The oceans cover over 70% of our planet, but they are not immune to the effects of climate change. Warming waters have led to the mass bleaching of coral reefs, threatening marine biodiversity. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea, supporting nearly 25% of marine life. When the water becomes too warm, corals expel the algae that give them color and nutrients, leading to bleaching and, eventually, death. For many species, migration is essential for survival. Birds, mammals, and insects travel thousands of miles each year to find food, breed, or escape extreme weather. However, climate change is altering these ancient migration routes. Birds are now arriving earlier in the spring and leaving later in the fall, disrupting their breeding cycles. In Africa, the Great Wildebeest Migration, a spectacle involving millions of animals, depends on the timing of rainfall. As rainfall patterns become unpredictable, many animals are left without the water and food they need during their journey, leading to population declines and even death. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe due to climate change. Hurricanes, floods, and droughts not only destroy human infrastructure but also have devastating effects on wildlife. When rivers dry up, elephants, big cats, and other animals must travel farther to find water, bringing them into conflict with humans. Climate change is also disrupting the balance within ecosystems. Warmer temperatures are allowing invasive species to spread into new territories, outcompeting native species for resources. For example, rising sea temperatures have enabled jellyfish to proliferate in areas where they were once scarce, disrupting fishing industries and harming marine ecosystems. Additionally, the timing of natural events, such as flowering seasons, hatching periods, or insect emergence, has shifted. While it may seem that climate change only affects wildlife, the truth is that we are all connected. Disruptions in ecosystems trickle down to impact agriculture, fishing, tourism, and even our health. Protecting wildlife from the effects of climate change isn't just about saving animals, it's about safeguarding our future. The challenge of climate change is immense, but there is hope. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, switching to renewable energy, and protecting natural habitats, we can help wildlife adapt to a changing world. Reforestation efforts, marine protected areas, and wildlife corridors allow animals the space they need to survive and migrate. We still have time to act. Together, we can slow the effects of climate change and protect the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Because every species matters, and the loss of even one is a loss for us all.